All right, thanks for watching Valley News Live, and I got to tell you, you should stop out to Luther Family Ford and sign up to be a weather kid. You might be like Cassidy Holt here, all the way from New Rockford, joining us now. Cassidy, step out here. Let us know, how old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
Okay, and where do you go to school?
New Rockford, Cheyenne.
Do you have a favorite subject?
Science.
Science? Okay, cool. That's what I like too. Anybody you want to say hi to before we start yapping about the weather?
Sandra, Lizzie, Javier, and Logan.
Wow, okay, that's the big list. Get on over here, and why don't you point out some of the winds that we've been dealing with today across North Dakota. Point out some of the stronger gusts that you're seeing out there right now.
Well, it's gusting 32 in Gwinner and 32 in Valley City.
Very good, and 38 in Fargo. Let's look over in Minnesota. Now, they have a few more trees to block the winds there, but it's pretty gusty there as well. Why don't you point out one or two?
25 in Wadena and 26 in Fergus Falls.
All right, so we still have windy conditions heading into the evening, and as far as temperatures go here in the Fargo area, step over here and why don't you point out what it is outside now and what it feels like?
Well, it's 33 outside and it feels like 22.
Right, not very hot out there at all, nothing like Rapid City that saw 70s today. How about the warm spot in our region? What do you see?
Well, it's 39 in Aberdeen down there.
Good. And how about elsewhere in North Dakota right now?
29 in Jamestown and 27 up in Langdon.
Okay, and now looking across Minnesota, point out a couple of temperatures there for us. Where's the cold spot?
It's 24 up in Baudette.
All right, so chilly across the board, below freezing off to the east, and in that sub-freezing air, what's this blue stuff on the screen?
Got some snow over there.
Little snow over there. Tell us some towns that have the snow in them right now.
Bemidji's got some snow, Park Rapids.
All right, and it's pretty much moving off to the east, so it probably won't last too much longer, but for more on that, let's check the hour-by-hour forecast. Here is the conditions right now. Some of you may even be getting a mixed precipitation. That's what the pink is. Now, between now and 10 o'clock, Cassidy, tell us what changes.
We've got some precipitation over west of Jamestown.
All right, so we have some developing precipitation to the west as the stuff out to the east goes away. What about temperatures and wind? Do those change much?
No.
No, still gusty and still in the 30s out there. Now, as we head through part of the overnight, I'm going to pause this in the middle of the night because at 2:30 in the morning, what is this mess up here in northern Minnesota?
We've got some mixed precipitation.
Right, and some of you will see snow around Lake of the Woods as well. And this could put a coating of iciness on our road surfaces along and north of Highway 2. As we get up at 7:30, tell us a little bit about the conditions across the region.
Well, it's warming up and there's snow over west of Ellendale and mixed precipitation.
Very good.
South
You said warming up overnight? That doesn't happen all the time, but that's exactly what's happening. What about the winds?
They went down to measly 4 miles per hour.
Measly 4 miles per hour, so maybe no hairspray needed first thing in the morning. Now, as we go through the day, we'll still see a shot of the blue stuff here, which is once again what?
Snow.
Right, mainly along a line from Fargo to Bemidji and points south and east of there. Wind becomes northerly, and that usually means cooler temperatures, and that's what's going to happen into the latter portion of the day. Temperatures will fall into the 20s. Does it look cloudy at 10 o'clock at night?
Not in North Dakota.
Yep, starting to clear out just a little bit. So tomorrow, watch out for slippery roads in the morning. Most of us under an inch. Who might see the most snow?
Up in Roseau.
Cassidy is forecasting about 0.9 inches up near Roseau and Baudette. All right, let's take a look at your hourly forecast for Fargo, starting out in the mid-30s and then whoop, falling off as we go through the day once those north winds pick up just a little bit. Now you get the New Rockford area forecast. Take it away first thing at the bus stop in the morning.
Well, it's 27 degrees in the morning and winds south-southwest at 9 miles per hour.
And then after school, this is more important on a Friday, right?
27 degrees and winds at north-northwest, 11 miles per hour.
Right, steady temperatures throughout the day. And here's a look at other areas, low to mid-20s along the international border. And as we sneak off to look at the Lakes counties down near Fergus Falls, what can they expect on their way home from school tomorrow?
Well, up in Roseau, it's about 28, and in Fargo, it's 36.
All right, so another cool feeling day, a Friday night that will be cool. Step on over here. We want to take a look at this picture. Ice not necessarily safe yet. This is near Valley City. Brian uploading the river circles forming there. Thanks for uploading your photo. Now, let's take a look at the weekend, shall we? What does the weather look like on Saturday?
Saturday, it's sunny and 25 degrees.
Okay, you tell everybody what's going on Sunday. I'm going to go get coffee.
Sunday, it's a high of 42, a low of 13.
Monday?
Monday, it's high of 48. It's getting warmer.
Okay, that's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then Tuesday?
Tuesday, cooling down to a 27, low of 8.
Okay, and then what's this mess on Wednesday? A lot of folks want to travel for Halloween.
Wednesday, there's snow.
And then how about Thanksgiving?
45 degrees and partly cloudy.
All right, Cassidy, step on over this way. You did an outstanding job. And, you know, really the job is a lot harder than Cassidy makes it out to be. There's a lot of forecasting, technology, and but what did you think about that?
I thought it was pretty fun.
Good. And you like science still?
Yes.
All right, very good.
Nice job. Really nice job. She's doing your job, actually. Getting the
The
coffee
coffee
and
is
all
really
that.
good. I made it.
Yeah.
It's a little strong, but pretty good.
All right. Thank
You
you.
bet.